Dear Melissa, I'm responsible for the development of an internal web scraping and data processing tool. Because this is an in-house product and the direct customers are my colleagues, I struggle to come up with usable metrics that tie directly to the goals of the business as a whole. Do you have any thoughts about how I should be thinking about this? So when you think about what makes businesses successful, it's that we have a higher revenue than we have of our costs. And that makes up our profit margin, which makes up our EBITDA. So when you think about internal tools, a lot of the times they're there to enable people to do their jobs, which are all associated with a cost. So if you're building an internal tool like this, that's about web scraping and data processing, it sounds like, you might not be on the revenue facing side. You could be on the cost facing side. And maybe what you're doing is helping to make the people inside efficient so that you can keep your margins higher in the organization. So what I would do to try to figure out what are the metrics that you're looking at and what is the problem that you're solving is, why do people use your web scraping tool internally? What are they trying to do with it? Are they getting their jobs done to be able to package this and sell it out there to the organization? In which case, that's the efficiency metric where you'd be looking at cost. If they're doing it for analysis on the business, again, that's on the cost side. It's helping with the operations to actually run it. But you can start to get back into the why are we doing this? That will help you tie it back to the business value. So let's say it's actually an analytics tool. So what you're doing with this tool may be helping you inform your strategy decisions or inform what you should be doing next. There's a cost associated with that. That can help you make sure that you are reducing the risk in your decisions, and that will help lower the cost of failure. But also, if you're making the right decisions, you should see the revenue go up. How can you help with the accuracy of the data processing to make sure people can make the right decisions? That could be one way to look at it. From what you're describing to me, I think you're probably on the efficiency operations side. So I would really drive down into, do we optimize our processes, and can I optimize these tools to help empower people to do their jobs better? Because the better that they do their job, the more efficiently, the better the whole business runs. And that's how I would start to think about it. If you're unsure, ask your leaders how this tool fits into the whole way that your business operates, right? Why are the people who are using it? What's important about it? Why do you actually have this versus an outside tool? What makes this special for the business? That's going to help you uncover your answer and help you set some metrics around it. I hope that helps.